Try to win back an ex-girlfriend can be a challenging and emotional process. It's important to approach the situation with a clear head and a sincere desire to address any issues that lead to the breakup. Here are some tips that may help in getting your ex-girlfriend back. Hi, hello, namaste. I'm Amarnath Guruji. I'm here to give you all kind of solutions in your relationship. Let it be girlfriend, ex-boyfriend, ex-husband, wife, or any kind of problems related to your life, and any kind of problems, let it be financial, let it be job, let it be anything, okay, health related, everything I can solve, especially evils, demons, or if you are affected by black magic, all these things. Okay, don't hesitate to contact me for any kind of problems. Take responsibility to any mistakes you have made in your relationship. Apologize for any hurtful actions or words and make a sincere effort to change any negative behaviors. Communicate openly and honestly with your girlfriend. Listen to her concerns and try to understand her perspective. Show her that you respect her feelings and opinions. Give her space and time to process her emotions. Respect her decision if she needs time apart, but let her know that you are willing to work on the relationship if she is open to it. Focus on self-improvement and personal growth, which I tell you every time in all the videos. Work on becoming the best version of yourself and show her that you are committed to being a better partner. Be patient and persistent. Winning back an ex-girlfriend takes time and effort. Stay positive and keep working on the relationship, but also be prepared for the possibility that it may not work out also. So it's time to contact me for any problem you're facing in your life. Remember that the most important thing is to approach the situation and respect with sincerity and a willingness to address any issues that may have led to the breakup. Anyhow, good luck and stay cool and calm because you have one life. Please don't commit suicide. This is my humble request because there is so much of time and energy for you to get back with your ex-girlfriend. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and try to share as much as possible. And please let me know what happened in your life in the comment so that I can help you out through texting back or commenting back. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Namaste.